welcome to the vlog.
We're still
They're
there.
here. Oh, she's already out.
Huh?
Oh my gosh, this is so funny. She's always like that. She loves napping in her car seat. And there's Marley right there, just checking out the sights. So we're actually about to go for a hike or for a walk, and we found this spot. Where are we going?
We're going to Converse City
Converse City.
for a trail.
So how far is this one?
The trail itself is not that far.
I mean, like
5
from our
miles.
house. From
Our house, it's 14 miles away.
14 miles away. What is that in kilometers? Like,
Like
how
7
long? Okay, so it's
kilometers.
7 kilometers. 7 minutes away from here?
7 minutes? Nope, 20 minutes.
20 minutes. I don't know. I'm bad at math. But we are trying to stay active because I'm trying to be healthy. I have been very bad with my health lately, and I just discovered I still have my hypertension. It's not super bad, but it's better to, you know, it's better to have early prevention than, you know, find the cure later. So we're trying to be as active as possible. So we'll see you there while Beck is napping. Hi. Are you still sleepy, Becca? We're gonna go for a walk.
Marley?
We are ready. Becca is ready.
Marley, sit down. Sit.
She's sunproof.
Sit.
Now we're trying to get ready.
Marley,
Marley,
Sit.
are you ready, Means?
I am ready.
And when I was still in the Philippines or in Cebu, we sometimes go for a hike. Init lang dyan, super hot there, so it's not always. But we like going to the beach the most. So here, this is our favorite activity. It's for free, guys. There's a lot of trails like anywhere in the world, and it's something I believe that is a good way to bond with the family, especially with your kids, and they get to experience nature and connect. So if you hear that sound, that's the best sound I want to hear, like on a regular basis. As you notice, I haven't worn my glasses. It's good to take a little good rest for that and just enjoy and soak it all in. It's the nice weather. It's the fall weather. That's my favorite. It's not so hot. The wind it's just so cool and nice. Not too cold. Is that right, baby?
What?
The weather is nice.
Yes.
The wind not too cold. Imagine living in that neighborhood. You're right across this beautiful park. Like, hashtag jealous. Not really jealous. But
Yeah.
now he's doing a push-up.
Oh, this is nice. Oh,
Wow.
my bones are popping.
Don't hurt yourself.
Do agility. Squats.
Marley.
Okay. It's a nice day.
No one's even walking here.
We're in the wilderness. feel like we're being hunted.
Where the frick is the lake?
We passed it. Let me check my navigation. It's going straight to this
I
park.
thought it was this one.
It is. This is where we parked. So yeah, let's turn around.
So we're turning around. We're trying to find the lake. Right?
Yep.
Because it was off the navigation. It's crazy. We're the only ones walking or hiking. The weather's really nice. For a couple of showing. Look, is real. Bumpy. Although it's windy, it's super init. Super hot, but the views are very nice. And we are here.
Walk this way. That's straight there.
Wow. It's so nice and so green. Okay. We're on the way. Oh, I can see it from here. I know you guys can see it yet, but here we are.
Becca.
She was friendly too.
Very friendly, mamas. Oh, we. She even said we. Good job, Becca.